In this video, we'll look at 4 common mistakes while making a left turn that could lead to collisions. Situation 1. Failing to yield to oncoming traffic. Failing to yield to oncoming traffic while moving forward on a green light can cause a collision if there's a vehicle approaching from the opposite direction. A large vehicle on the opposite side waiting to turn left might block your view of approaching vehicles. Making a left turn without a clear view of the oncoming traffic could lead to a collision. Situation 2. Failing to yield to pedestrians. Moving forward on a green light without checking for pedestrians at the crosswalk can lead to a failure to lead to both pedestrians and oncoming traffic. Situation 3. Improper speed while turning. Driving too fast while turning results in making wide turns that can lead to collisions. Another danger is created by drivers who speed up to beat a flashing hand signal at the intersection. When driving at high speeds, a vehicle may not be able to turn into the left lane, and instead enters the right lane. That could cause collisions. Situation 4. Failing to yield to right-turning vehicles. Turning left at the same time when a right-turning vehicle is turning into the adjacent lane could lead to collisions. Did you know that it's not allowed to follow another vehicle into the intersection? Only one vehicle should proceed into the intersection at a time. Vision 0. Be a Trubie hero.